somebody is like what to do high ticket closing, suppose I want to sell training programs about soft skills to corporates, तो अच्छा है ना, corporate से बात करिए, corporate से interact करिए, आप उनको पुश करो, उनको बेनिफिट मिलेंगे जब आप चीजें करेंगे, वो फायदा होगा आपको. I want to start my first webinar. Please help me in the technical part. Baisakhi, what help in the technical part are you looking forward to learn? For example, जैसे webinar कैसे करना है, वो तो मैंने आपको बताया हुआ है, वो तो communication mastery में भी आप वहां पे भी देख सकते हैं करने का पूरा. एंड दूसरा इंस्टा मोजो पे आप अपना प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करो. इट्स अ वेरी सिंपल प्रोसेस. Create your product on InstaMojo and then give the link to people to buy. How can I target application owners who want to promote their applications? You will have to connect with them on LinkedIn, Karthik. आप LinkedIn के ऊपर उनसे कनेक्ट करो, आप मेल के ऊपर उनसे कनेक्ट करो. Have somebody in your team who will do the outreach on your behalf. That's what you can do. How monetize real estate niche? By providing a lot of free content pertaining to real estate and then generating leads. And उसमें आपको सेल करना होगा ये देखने के लिए कि आप करोगे क्या. I don't think that you are a developer. आप डेवलप तो नहीं करते हो ना घर, तो आप किसी ऐसे ब्रांड के संग कोलैबोरेट करोगे जो कि घर डेवलप करते हैं, उनके थ्रू आप सेलिंग करोगे. यू विल डू समथिंग लाइक दैट. उनको आप लीड्स जनरेट करके देंगे, तो लीड जनरेशन के भी पैसे लेंगे, क्लोज करने का भी आप अमाउंट लोगे. दैट्स हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू डू इट. Is working in a startup for free? I would recommend you work in a startup, but why for free? You will come to work in my organization for free. I won't select you. I would want somebody who can generate value in my team, and I'll be more than happy to pay you. So work in a startup, maybe for the first month or 2 months free of cost, but then get paid for it. Okay. Rakesh, we can think about it, but what I genuinely feel is that all our content that is uploaded is mobile optimized. जब आप काम करते हो तो इसीलिए हम लोगों ने ऊपर काम नहीं करा. लीड मैग्नेट फॉर B2B मैन्युफैक्चरिंग. यार मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में आप ये बना सकते हो कि मैन्युफैक्चरिंग की कॉस्ट कैसे कम करी जाए, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में ज्यादा रिजल्ट्स कैसे लाए जाएं, वो चीज आप अपने लिए क्रिएट कर सकते हो. How can I get 300 leads from my city? Pallavi, what you can do is you can go on to a Facebook page from your city. I repeat, you can go on to a Facebook page from your city, go live on that page, upload videos on that page, and then you can get people. And then you can get people to become a part of your lead and then become a part of your paid program. Okay. Handling objections. Narendra, we have a dedicated training given to handling objections. It is inside Sales Masterclass. Just go through it once. Yeah. All the objections have been taken care of. Take care, Satish. Right. Will you collaborate with an influencer marketing company? Yeah, we would love to. We would love to, Karthik. Send us a proposal with the exact numbers. How I will launch my course? जब आपका content complete हो जाता है, जब आपको उस पे 100% faith हो जाता है, उसके बाद subject matter expert के बाद ही आप करेंगे. I can't understand Facebook ad, Zoom landing page. So Baisakhi, see, you don't need to create a Zoom landing page. You can directly create a webinar. Listen to me very carefully. You can directly create a webinar on Zoom. जो आपने Zoom पे webinar create करा, आप directly उसका link दीजिए लोगों को, so that you can get them to your webinar. And then during your webinar, you can give them the link to buy directly from. आप ये कर सकते हैं. In the beginning, you don't even need a website. आप directly product का link दे दीजिए and people will enroll from that only. That's what you can do. Talking about other brands, something can create problem. It can, Sanchit. So don't take the name of the brand. ऐसा बोल सकते हो एक FMCG कंपनी है, नाम लिए बिना. एक मार्केटिंग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है, एक मूवी है, नाम लिए बिना. ऐसे it has to be more elaborate, no Yash? That's the thing. And the more important thing is कि यहाँ पे आप जब live trainings का part बनते हैं, तो आपकी live trainings की सारी individual queries solve होती हैं. That's so very powerful. And just like I told you, we have also shifted some content from boot camp to sales mastery masterclass. You can run it. आप काम कर सकते हो वहां पे, आप काम कर सकते हो वहां पे 25-30,000 में, और उसके साथ साथ अपना खुद का काम भी करिए. हाँ जी, इंस्टामोजो में प्रोडक्ट क्रिएट करा जाता है. प्लेटफॉर्म टू होस्ट. श्रीनिवास, आवर ओन प्रोडक्ट इज कमिंग अप. जो हमारा खुद का फनल बिल्डर आ रहा है, वहां पे अपना वीडियो कोर्स कर सकते हैं. वो जनवरी में लॉन्च होने वाला है. श्रीनिवास बिस्ला, वी विल बी लॉन्चिंग आवर ओन प्लेटफॉर्म फनल builder wherein you would be able to host your video course also. Got it? Right. Oops. Let me go down. They give me the target to get 20 memberships for the year. Its fees is 4,000. So Pallavi, I've given you the answer, no? Yes, you need to reach out to people who really want to improve themselves. And the second thing is, you need to be 100% confident about their product. Till the time you are not 100% confident about their product, it won't work. Same thing, Narendra. सबसे important चीज closing में, how confident are you about the product? Are you totally sold upon it? It will be reflected in your words and your actions. Got it? Right. How can we sell? Rahul, there are 80% of the people who are a part of my programs are elder than me. Elder than me. Don't worry. Sir, course launch करने के लिए कौन सा platform best रहेगा? Just like I told you, Rakesh, we are coming up with our own program so that you can be there. You will also be having the opportunity to host your program on FlexiFunnels, Rohan. Now, will it be included in the first phase itself or not? That I'm not sure about. That you can ask Saurabh. Okay, right. My niche is water purifier. It is a micro niche only, Sanchit. I guess water purifier is a micro niche. Talk about the importance of water, then do it. How can I find micro niche for my influencer marketing campaigns? How can I find micro niche for my influencer marketing campaigns? So you can go to influencers who do not have a really significant reach, like 1 million, 5 million. What you can do is you can reach out to people. You can reach out to people who have got 4,000, 5,000, 10,000 people following them, because they would have a more strong bond with their audience. That's the reason. Can I start with multiple niche? Yes, you can, and then you diversify. Sir, you give instructions on phone during delivering webinar. No, that's something. Sometimes I do it. No, like मेरे को कोई अगर post create करना होता है, तो मैं एकदम से मेरी team को WhatsApp पे बोल देता हूँ ऐसे. That's how I do it. Okay, right. So the thing is that to get in touch with B2B who want to increase, I'm unable to. Arun, your task, because you have a very narrowed down niches, phone calls, emails, and DMs. For you, Arun, it has to be phone calls, DMs, as well as the mails. These three things. क्योंकि otherwise वहां पे targeting तो बहुत मुश्किल है. Of course, Yash, you are already doing so well, brother, and you're just 16 years old. For the next 10 years of your life, just focus on learning. And then you will earn in 2 years what people do not earn in their lifetime also. I guarantee you. After webinar, both Nilesh, phone, telephonic follow-up, messages, automated calls, mails, आप जितनी चीजें implement कर सकते हो सब करो. देखो messages अगर आप calls कर रहे हो तो आप messages भी करवा सकते हो. You have people in your team, right? Automated calls भी करवा सकते हो क्योंकि आपके पास contact numbers बहुत important है. Yes, Karthik, for your product, because the price would be high, that's why I told you need to do one-to-one consultation क्योंकि आपका price point high रहेगा. Yes, you can teach in Hindi language. Baisakhi, in the beginning, I guess you can call yourself, लेकिन अगर किसी को hire कर पाओ तो I made the phone calls by my own self. But if you can have somebody to do something, it would be really good. That is what I would recommend you to do. Hire somebody, give them a small fees, a small amount, and then on every conversion, give them some money. Affiliate marketing, skill development, video making should be my... So see, which all people want to create videos, Sagar, you need to figure out on those people. If you talk about personality development, that is meant for everybody. If you talk about video making, that is meant for people who are already creating content. तो जितने भी वीडियो क्रिएटर्स हैं, आप सबके सामने एड्स रन कर सकते हैं रीच आउट करने के लिए. I know I will add value to their organization, but I want to work with someone who will give me more exposure. You look at the organization, Pallavi, and see what sort of a work they are doing, what kind of value they are adding in the market, what kind of a market reputation they have for themselves. That's why it is important. Many times clients do not trust me for influencer marketing because Karthik, no problem. If you're only 16 years old, you have just started your journey. आप काम करो तो सही, अपने आप ही results and opportunities आएंगी. And जो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं आप बहुत छोटे हैं, उनकी बात मत सुनो. Sometimes we become wrong later on our products. That's why it is very important, Rahul. Like I have got total 100% conviction on my products. You have to do the same thing. जब तक आपके प्रोडक्ट पे आपको 100% कन्विक्शन, 100% अथॉरिटी, 100% भरोसा नहीं होता, तब तक उस वाले प्रोडक्ट का कोई मतलब नहीं रहता है. तो आपके लिए ये चीज करना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. वीडियो मार्केटिंग का कोर्स अगर आप बनाते हैं, वीडियो मार्केटिंग का कोर्स आप दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में भी बना सकते हैं, नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. While we are approaching on DMs, you need to tell them in your first message itself how they are being benefited. अगर आप किसी को भी पहला मेल कर रहे हैं, पहला मैसेज कर रहे हैं, आपको पहले मेल या पहले मैसेज में ही लोगों को ये बताना पड़ेगा how they are going to be benefited by that. If that is missing, the sale would be missing. I guarantee. I guarantee. No problem. Let them come, Nilesh. If your competitors are also coming, don't worry. Don't worry. Got it? Karthik, send me a detail about your work on email. Sara, facts, figures, results, सब कुछ मेल पे भेजो आप एक बार मेरे को. कार्तिक मुठा. Along with the campaign, how do you do a campaign? बैसाखी, I tell you what you can do. आप Zoom का सब्सक्रिप्शन लो. Zoom के सब्सक्रिप्शन पे वेबिनार क्रिएट करो. It will happen. Free of cost. No, 40 minutes is free of cost for a meeting. Then there is some fees. Don't worry about that. Take a plan for less people, 100, 500 people only. Okay. First thing. The second thing that you got to do is, after you have done that, is get people to your webinar and create a product on InstaMojo. Creating a product on InstaMojo is free of cost. And up to the first 10,000 rupees, आपको KYC भी नहीं करवाना. But I would recommend you KYC करवा लो. And then create that product link and share it with people. That's what you got to do. Shubham, please do. Please do. Or if you can ask me right now, it will be really good. Why I told Karthik is because he also wanted to pitch me something. So I wanted to get the complete information. Good, Rohan. Good. It would be advisable if you ask me your query right now. Copyright free website for photographs, Pixabay. आपको Pixabay पे you get copyright free images. Pixabay. Please add a good script which include phrases. Yashi, once you will go through the training we have done, that is objections handling. This would be taken care of. Okay. I'm happy, Sanchit. Many congratulations. Yes, Ronit, you can. There is also one more suggestion that has come, that you can also use this for free images, free pick. Karthik, how can you scale the work? All the things that we discussed today, Karthik, have KPIs, have team members, dedicated team members, have a dedicated task, create your knowledge base, follow up upon people on a regular basis. All those are the things that you have to do. Have people in your team, have a fixed amount for them, along with the sale, along with a commission on every sale that you would give to them. That's how it works. That is how you will scale your work. And just like I told you, increase your scale, brother. Increase your scale. That's really nice. That's really nice. Yash. You need to, Pallavi, you need to reach out to colleges. That's exactly what you got to do. No. Just your experience is what you need, Mansi. Your experience, the work that you are doing, and the results that you can grow for people. अगर बिजनेस ग्रो नहीं कर रहा है संचित, तो फिगर आउट करो ना क्या चीज वर्क नहीं कर रही है. क्या लीड्स कम है, क्या फॉलो अप नहीं हो रहे हैं, क्या कन्वर्जन नहीं हो रहे हैं, क्या प्रॉब्लम आ रही है, आपको वो तो फिगर आउट करना पड़ेगा. लीड्स का मैं तो जो हमने लीड्स का सॉल्यूशन करा है वो करिए. अगर आपको लगता है फॉलो अप नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो जो फॉलो अप वाली स्ट्रैटेजीज हमने शेयर करी आप उसके ऊपर वर्क करिए. सो इट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू फिगर आउट what is it that is not working, what is it that you need to work upon. That's the key. And you always need to get more leads, people. More leads automatically get more sales. Is it necessary to nurture who enrolled my product in the webinar? Nilesh, who have enrolled in your program, आप उनको तो वैल्यू एडिशन करेंगे ना बाद में. जैसे मैं सेशंस करता हूँ वैसे आप भी सेशंस करें, लाइव सेशंस करिए, लाइव वर्कशॉप्स करिए. जब आप ये चीजें करेंगे तो उसके बाद ऑटोमेटिकली वो जो लोग हैं, वो आपके जो बाकी के प्रोडक्ट्स हैं, आप अगर उन्हें आगे पिच करना चाहते हैं या इन्फॉर्मेशन देना चाहते हैं तब. यस आई डू यश, आई डू. गॉट इट. अगर आप देखो, फाइन ट्यूनिंग करना तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप इज गुड इफ यू आर एबल टू मैनेज इट. आप व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं एंड व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप के थ्रू भी इंफॉर्मेशन दे सकते हैं. व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप का ड्रॉबैक बस ये रहता है कि लोगों के कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर शेयर हो जाते हैं. द कॉन्टैक्ट नंबर्स ऑफ पीपल गेट शेयर्ड विद ईच अदर. सो दैट्स समथिंग दैट यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ. वो किसी तरह आपको अवॉइड करना बहुत जरूरी है. गॉट इट. राइट. आई वांट टू गो अब्रॉड फॉर ट्रेनिंग, हाउ कैन आई गो? वो तो अगर कोई इवेंट हो उसके, मैं आपको बोलूंगा कि अब्रॉड जाने से अच्छा पहले गोवा वाले इवेंट में आइए. आप पहले गोवा वाले इवेंट में आइए. राइट. एंड दिस इज व्हाट रोहन इज सेइंग, दैट अगर आप अपना प्रोडक्ट बना रहे हैं इंस्टामोजो में, प्लीज गेट केवाईसी डन. ही फेस दैट आफ्टर सम टाइम ही रीच द लिमिट and then they will take 2-3 days to done and remove the limit. So get your KYC done whenever you start with your work. As soon as start with your work, get your KYC done. When is your Goa event? थोड़ा कोविड का सिचुएशन ठीक हो जाए, एक बार गवर्नमेंट से परमिशन मिल जाए. मोर देन गवर्नमेंट से परमिशन मिलने से हमको ये चीज में कॉन्फिडेंस हो जाए कि लोग सेफ हैं इवेंट में आने के लिए. Once we have got that, then we will definitely do the event. Even we are willing to do it. Is GST must for InstaMojo? I don't think in the beginning it is, but आगे चल के जरूरत पड़ेगी. GST ले लीजिए ना, पहले 20 लाख रुपए तक तो नहीं होता है. Don't do it, यश, don't do it. आप अभी काम कर रहे हो, अभी से काम करते रहो. बेस्ट वेबसाइट टू हायर इंटर्न्स और फ्रीलांसर्स बहुत सारी है. इंटर्न्स करने के लिए आप इंटर्नशाला कर सकते हैं यूज. इंटर्नशाला, दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन यूज. Got it? Right. People, please implement all the things that we learned. जब आप चीजें इंप्लीमेंट करेंगे तब मजा आएगा, तब चीजें करने में और ज्यादा आनंद आएगा. Then we will love it. Implementation is the must, okay? Right. Right. If I build up my online brand, if I, sir, institute give me offer to train the staff for 7 days. Pallavi, see, it's all right. If somebody is saying you to do it for such a low cost, आप इससे अच्छा फ्री में ही कर लो, कोई बात नहीं. Don't worry about it. And why are you worried about what 1 or 2 institutes say to you? अभी तो मैंने बोला ना, increase your width, reach out to more people. Yash, it's not about going abroad is good or bad. Doing a BBA is not good. Do something. Do something. Right? Do something that will be in the demand today. Maybe it's a 6 months course. Do that. जो कि मार्केट में इस समय रेलेवेंट है चीज, वो करिए. Karthik, if you think that the client is going to negotiate like this, then you need to figure out. कि आप किस तरीके का कोड दोगे. And Karthik, I've already told you how to negotiate with the clients. Implement all those strategies. You said that give everything for free and charge for consultation, but I give free content in my post. Then why people will buy my ebook? They will add some extra information, add some extra inputs, add something extra in your ebooks. That's the reason why people will. Do I need to form another proprietorship company? No. Same company that you have got. Personal branding is just to get your name in front of people. आपको कोई नई company नहीं बनानी है उसके लिए. What will be the duration of free nurturing? I have free maths coaching. 2 days, Babita, 2 to 3 days maximum. 2 to 3 days. That's it. Got it? Sure, Monica. So 5 high income skills में से training में social media marketing में I can handle comments of influencers. Yes, Sagar, you can. Yes, you can use your present GST number. You don't need another GST number. After how many Instagram posts? It's not about how many Instagram posts, Anup. It does not matter. आप 5 पोस्ट के बाद भी कर सकते हो, पर आपको ये देखना पड़ेगा कि लोगों तक आप कैसे इन्फॉर्मेशन पहुंचा पा रहे हो, लीड्स आप कैसे जनरेट कर पा रहे हो, वो आपके लिए ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करेगा. That's what you got to do. Got that? That is extremely, extremely important. Right. Don't give ebook, give audio book. Somebody is saying that. सर मैं बहुत ज्यादा सोचता हूँ, सोचने से रिजल्ट नहीं आते हैं भाई, एक्शन लेने से आते हैं, वो चीज बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट है. Yash, you should figure out to do those things that are in demand instead of a BBA. Do what matters. Do what matters in the market. That's the key to winning. Got it? Ebook, should I give them now free? Babita, ebook you can give them to free. उसके थ्रू आपके पास जनरेट हो रही है. ebook 6 पेज से लेके 10 पेज हो सकती है, 4 पेज की भी हो सकती है. What is important is आप उसमें कितना अच्छा वैल्यू दे रहे हैं, कितना अच्छा सपोर्टिव इंफॉर्मेशन दे रहे हैं, वो मैटर करता है. Got that? Right. Is it okay to make course stage by stage, like stage A for 999? Yes, you can do that. You can do that, Nilesh. 999 से ज्यादा आप चाहो तो 2000 से स्टार्ट कर सकते हो. 2000, 5000, 10,000. That is what I would recommend you to do. 999 तो बहुत ही कम हो जाती है. How to stay for very long term? काम करते रहोगे तो लॉन्ग टर्म में रहोगे. काम करोगे तो लॉन्ग टर्म में ही रहोगे ना मेरे दोस्त, हमदम. Yes, I will add the Q&A section also. Let them be, Anup. जो कंटेंट डला हुआ है उसे डले रहने दो. Don't remove anything. I also did not remove my earlier posts on Instagram. सागर, first of all, you need to get results. अगर आपको ये सोचना पड़ रहा है कि आपको किस तरीके का कंटेंट डालना है अपने कोर्स में, तो अभी आप तैयार नहीं हो. Prepare yourself first. Got it? How can I reach out to foreign clients? Same process, Karthik. Mails and messages. पहले आप मुझे अपना वाला प्रपोजल तो सेंड करो. Let me see. So that then I would be able to guide you accordingly. I posted videos on Rahul's VIP because there is, come on Yash, start posting it everywhere. डरो मत, आपका कंटेंट बहुत अच्छा है, आपका इंफॉर्मेशन है, अब आप डालना शुरू करो उसे अपने पब्लिक प्रोफाइल पे भी. डरोगे तो कुछ नहीं होगा, रिजल्ट्स नहीं आएंगे. समझ में आया? Yes, Rohit, I do. For hiring intern, is it compulsory to register a company? You can do it without that also. But I guess they would ask you for some sort of confirmation. वो आपसे पूछेंगे जब आप इंटर्नशाला पे हायर कर रहे हो. अदरवाइज सोशल मीडिया से आप वैसे भी हायर कर सकते हो बिना किसी वेबसाइट के भी. Lots of love.